Putting it on,
Yeah,
you've got to put it
welcome
on
to
right.
the
Well, that's like
third
Yeah, no,
right.
as long as I've got the right part,
Transit
I don't think it will be
fuel
a
pump.
problem for
Well, I
me.
think it will. Well, I'll
As I
tell you
mentioned,
what.
Right, however,
experiment,
that day,
Sorry?
however,
because
You've got loads of fucking
this
cogs
way
on
to the
here.
end,
Yeah,
You normally get 3 cogs.
because
yeah, I've got already some of them out.
That's the cam belt there.
because I have
That's the
1
fan
kilometer
belt, the cam belt, the power steering.
drive,
That holds all the timing together
I have a bit of
with the pistons and
eBay,
everything else.
store I'm building up.
So let me know.
Then
So he
I do a bit of
didn't turn up
retail. So
again.
basically,
I just
I'll
wanna make sure
try
I've got
to
the right
figure
part.
out the best
Bloody
way to
dirt
do
at all.
things to minimise.
No, he said he got to do it.
Did you get the agreement?
So-
Yeah, he
If
said,
anything,
he said
it
it.
would take
He
But he's
agreed.
messing you back right at the last
Yeah,
minute. You
yeah.
know what I mean?
Then I said, sorry, I got all my
I'll
own
have
job
keep
to do.
this Motor for a long and
This is
parking
gonna
and all these
take a hell
bit
of
of
a
stuff.
job,
So I
but
thought like,
Yeah.
alright, okay.
Yeah,
Um,
so then
I got the idea about fuel pump at the end. So I know what it takes, and it takes a lot of learning. So I thought like rather wasting my time on this one, so I can move into my next project. So when I uploaded first, I just edited the music, and then it's so weird music, and I put it on. Then later I thought like it's
Why
not
is it?
the way to do it, but I don't want to spend too much time on the computer to edit and all these, and I thought I wanted to keep it simple. But however, I
Did you
discovered
confirm today?
the app
You know the
called
timing belt? Is that the cam belt?
Time Master,
Or the timing?
KINE Master. It's available on Android and Apple, so it was really helpful to me. So I thought like, okay, I have to redo the audio editing. Even in this one of my friend also come across, and you probably hear we talking as well. Basically, like I always develop a new experience. So any new experiment project that going to teach me something new, I'll go for it. One of the reason it's created me a new opportunity, and reason why you need to always look for a new opportunity, because competition. So what do you know? It's stolen by somebody else tomorrow. So what you're going to do next? So you always have to the front, so you know more than one. So in that sense, I developed more than one career. So I know a bit of painting work, I know a bit of fiberglassing. So I will spend most of my time in retail. I drive as well, so that's why I got into these the vehicle repairing part as well. So I drive a lot, so I use multiple vehicle and all that. So I thought like before long I don't know nothing about the vehicle. So even for the instead of putting the brake fluid, I put the tutti oil in it, because I don't know how to do things few years back, about 10 years back. But now at least I know the small job I can do, like a brake pads, and especially the bearing and all that I can do it. But in the past I done a lot of them, but now what I thought like, okay, share it with the others, so others also can benefit as well. In future videos I'll probably cover more like how do I do the YouTubes as well. So in order to make it simple, because I didn't do it while I am doing the work, it was hard to me to just take it off. It's all I'm doing on my own. I don't have any other friends, so anybody. My friend was there, he was just chatting to me, but I was doing it on my own. So in the time scale, I was figuring out the way how can I do it simply,
Just make sure
so that doesn't take my time too much, because this one, this is not my income. Either YouTube or repairing vehicles and all these, so I'll do something else so different. So this one I'm doing it's additional extra, which is my pleasure, so happy to do it. So I thought like why not I upload this to YouTube, so others can also benefit. But when it's come to YouTube, if you're doing the similar things in the future, if you are, for example, you're watching it and you get in the idea and then you want to do similar thing, record it. Do what you can do, record it and just upload it. And and then the same time learn as you go, and then you know, correct the course, and then you know, and edit new things to the content, and then you don't think that you're going to make money out of this, but all you think is, okay, because of my experience I did learn something out of it, so let others also learn something out of it. So if you keep that kind of things, whatever you know, up until this time, what you learn in all this, and then by recording it and then share it to other people, so others also can benefit out of it. I have like eBay store. I used to work for a company, you know, online marketing, e-commerce and all this stuff. So I'm building my eBay store as well, and in future videos I will make you know, different videos as well. How do I do my eBay business, and how did I start my YouTube thing, and then how to make it easier. Like, you know, in life when you do one too many things at the same time, you need to manage your time, and then if you don't manage your time, it's really difficult, you know, like you have so many things to do and then you're so busy to do things, and this is what happens, like when you don't follow up, it'll take you away from the track. So if you manage your time and organize, it'll be easy. So in order to do that, you have to keep what they call the simple and easy. So that's why I'm doing it in this video. I'll try to keep it as simple as possible. So what you learn in these NTR 3 videos for transit fuel pump removal, see how I'm doing it. I'll record it just for the reference, just to keep a record, and then I thought like, okay, and then okay, upload it into YouTube. So what you see in India video, you see like what are the things to be considered in order to replace the fuel pump. And it can be done, but you have to like focus on what you're doing, and then make a record of it, and then keep the record, like how you taking it off and carefully, and then it will help for you to put it back on. So I would have completed this one, but I learned a lot and all that. So, but at least you know it's not an easy job. It's a lot more than whatever is a fuel injection pump. Like you need to
Yeah,
really
they
learn a
want
lot.
what they want. It's just
Doesn't
trying to
matter,
get
you
more
can-
room,
You can,
so that
you can
strip
do it
everything
or
out.
not.
It's just
That's
easier.
a different
I
story.
don't know anyone.
You have to really learn a lot about it, how to do it and all this,
Just say, yeah, this is
and
right.
then
that's right.
go step by step, and then keep the record, and then put
Yeah,
it. My next project is the painting.
I'm not there. I'm an hour away. I said, you're having a fucking laugh. I want to fucking.
Videos are there, so once I finish that one, it has to be done
no
of
ID. No, after
fiberglass
12
and all
o'clock.
that,
They
and
said,
then
no, they're the
have
shit.
the Vauxhall
So I've gone
Zafira,
back to the scrapyard.
clutch.
These blokes like
So
that.
I'm going to do that.
Yeah, no, I know
I'm
him.
not
He's
going
boss.
to do
And I
electrical
said,
mechanic,
look,
it's not
mate,
worth
he
it,
went,
it's
that come off
too
a running
expensive,
motor. I
so
said,
I'm
look, they're
gonna
telling me it did.
do that next project.
Similar
So
to that.
I'll see you on
Yeah.
the next one as I can. Thanks for watching.
And they gave him my money back.